So hello, now I don't normally do unboxings like this, and I was thinking, should I do this? I've never done an iPhone unboxing before, but I have a few things to say about the iPhone. And this iPhone 15 Pro, I have the clear case here, and I have the 15 Pro here. And what I will do is I'm just going to take it off screen for one moment, because I'm going to put my fingers over some details, but I want to show you the back of it, and you can see the two pull tabs. So I will pull those now and then bring it back into frame and put it the right way round. So I'm just pulling the tabs now, and as I put it back into frame, it'll be the right way, but I'll be able to lift the lid just like that. Now, of course, this is the white one. Now, you're seeing, seeing it for the very first time, like I am. Now, I'll just take the case out of the frame. Actually, before I take it out of the frame, this is the 15 Pro clear case, and for comparison, this is the 15 Pro Max clear case, and you can see that the packaging is very nice, and I'll come back to the case in a moment, but I just wanted to show you the size difference and the packaging. I mean, the packaging is very nice, but what I wanted to show you is the 14 Pro. So this is the 14 Pro. So this is my old phone, and so I've put it like that, so you can see the difference. Now, the 15 Pro is in white. This 14 Pro is in black. So if I've just popped it in the box like that, so that you can see what it looks like. Now, the 15 Pro is in white. So we know that these are very similar. Will I be able to pull this out? Yes. And the boxes are going to look very similar. In fact, I shall just lift the 15 Pro, and you can see I haven't taken the cover off yet. Now, the titanium finish there that I've just touched is really very nice. And I do apologise, I was looking at the phone then and not the camera. But I shall just put that there like that, and pull the 14 Pro for a moment. Now, of course, the main difference is this is the 14 Pro. It has the lightning connector. This is the black version with the stainless steel side and the older silent key. But you can see that they look very similar, and your preference on which you like the best is up to you, really. I think I've always been more of a white fan, so I'm naturally going to head towards the white version there. But this is the black one, and it is very nice. And of course, this has the always-on display, so it looks super. But what I will do is I'll put this out of frame. But I wanted to have it in the shot here for to show you the difference. So I shall just take that out, and then we can pull the main feature into frame like this. Now, firstly, the box is lovely. One of the things Apple is very good at is their packaging. I mean, this box is a piece of artwork in itself. And the actual cover, it's like it's embossed. If you run your finger over it, you can feel the raised photograph of the phone there. It is very super. And what they've done this year is they've color-coded the detail on the side of the box with the color of the phone. Now, I have to tell you, once again, on first impression, this titanium phone is lovely. And what I will do is I'll just take that cover off, and there you go. And you can see the USB-C connector there, and already I can feel the curves of the frame there. And also, just to let you know, in case my right hand is the movement seems a bit strange, I've actually broken this arm, but it's a lot better. And apparently I have to move it as much as I can, and I'm just starting to put load on it so I can hold things now, although it does hurt. But anyway, if you see me wobbling with this, it's because this is getting better. Anyway, back to the phone. In the hand, this is lovely. The rails are titanium, although I imagine if you just looked at it, you would think it was aluminium. Now, of course, I'm in Europe right now, so we have the SIM card tray, and you put a little tool. In fact, I've got one here. You use this little thing in the side there to eject the SIM card tray, and you pop in a little SIM card. Now, I don't think in North America they offer the SIM card tray anymore, so but in Europe we still have this as an option. And of course you've got the eSIM functionality in this phone as well. But anyway, on first view, this is very, very super. And yeah, I really do like it. It is great. That is very, very nice. And what I shall do now is, when I switch the camera off, is I shall boot this up, and I will put the case on. In fact, why don't I do that? Why don't I take the case out of the box now? I've pulled that back like that, so I can do that, and I should be there we go. I mean, the box is lovely. Yeah, you know, it really is very, you know, when you hold Apple genuine products, they are pretty cool, I have to say that. And look at that. That does look very, very good. And without me looking at it too closely, so this is the first time on camera, it looks like that the plastic has changed a little. It feels a little more squishy. I don't know if I'm correct saying that. But what I will do is, when I switch the camera off, I will quickly put the phone inside here and show you again on camera. So I shall do that. I shall do that right now. So I've just popped the 15 Pro white into the clear case, and there you go. And it does look very cool, doesn't it? That looks really super. Now, I haven't switched it on yet, and I imagine when I do, I've got the install process, and I do like the white ring on the case matching the white back of this white titanium. And I do think now that the white titanium is the best colour. The best colour for me, for sure. I know some people like the black version, and watching other videos, I can see that I hear that people like the natural grey titanium colour, but I definitely prefer the white one, this one here. And I really like the action button. So you can program this button now to be silent, or to operate the camera, or whatever you choose. And of course, I like the iPhone because of the camera capability. That is very, very cool. But I wanted to show you this new iPhone 15 Pro white titanium. I think it is very, very cool. I mean, it is a super product. And also, one of the reasons I wanted to show the iPhone is because I wanted to talk about its relevance to culture and society. And before I go on about that, in fact, I don't think I'll talk about that in this video, because this is really an unboxing, and I've never done this before for a product like this. So I thought I'd just give it a whirl, but I wanted to show you this this new USB-C to USB-C cable. And that's the little thing that it's tied around. And this was another thing that I really liked about the new release of the iPhone, is because of its USB-C focus. And it does have this lovely braided cable here. So I'm a big fan of that. I know most people will probably think it's just a cable, but for me that is super duper. And just in case anyone's wondering, inside here is I imagine the USB eject tool and probably a sticker, and that goes there, like with the other boxes. And it is very, very nice. And if I put that back on there, there you go. I actually collect these boxes. I wish I'd kept all the iPhones as well, but at least I have the boxes. But yeah, look at that. It is cool. I do think that is very, very cool. Yeah. In fact, I'm hopefully going to get my hands on the 15 Pro Max, the same colour. So when I do get that, I will pop this case onto that also. So at that point I'll be able to show you both of them, and perhaps I'll talk a little more, but at the very least I wanted to show you the new 15 Pro in white titanium on the clear case, and it is lovely. It is very, very cool. And what I shall do now is set it all up. Anyway, hope everyone is well, and speak again soon.